ready?
Woo!
Oh! Oh, jeez. My God.
Oh, really?
Here, let me see this real quick. Is this broken?
No, it almost was.
Oh, it looked like it was cracked. I was looking at it. No, because the angle of it, I was like, wait, is there a crack on this?
Here's what you missed. I was like this.
Oh, I didn't see
check
it.
this out. And I was like, oh God.
Oh, no,
And like,
I saw the angle and I was like, wait, it looked like the
dude, like, and it was like, oh, it was like,
before we
like
go get
yeah. No! So we're about to give away the coveted Best in Show Award. This is huge. And it's glass and it's shatterable.
And it's the home show.
Yeah.
Offered by you, chosen
Yes.
by you, selected.
Yeah, I know.
This is a highly coveted
this is
award.
so tough because like you see so many incredible booths, you see so many incredible products, and like all I can do is go by what I was really the most excited about
Right.
just at this particular time in my life.
Absolutely.
But this is awesome. Like I love that you guys have this. Like I mean, it makes everybody even more competitive every time they come, right?
Let's go present it.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Let's go present this thing. This is where we need that music soundtrack.
We're here at the 2025 Fort Lauderdale Home Design and Remodeling Show, and we are going around and offering different types of awards and recognition for the work that these different companies have put into their exhibits this year. We've seen everything from indoor to outdoor in some of the finest booth displays that you'll see anywhere in Florida. Here at the Home Design Show, we're going to be offering these awards in forms of recognition to honor the hard work and dedication that they have to their booth displays and their businesses right here in South Florida. Let's go see who wins the awards. Come with me.
All right, guys, it's happening. We are about to give away the Best in Show Award right through these doors. Gather round, everyone. We've got some big news.
Okay, it looks like a present.
By the way, I love your outfit. That is gorgeous.
Thank you.
Which goes in perfect timing with.
Yes.
I just wanted to present you guys. So I had to talk today, and I was talking, and I was giving advice about making sure. My advice to people is to go through every door that opens. Walk through any door because you never know the experience and what you're going to learn by going through it. I would have never been, gotten to the place I am if I hadn't gone through a lot of doors. But going through these doors, it really is an experience. It's so beautiful. It's so well designed, not only in the materials, in the hardware, in the fact that it can do so many different things. It's versatile, and it just, almost the room has to live up to the door, and that is rare. That is rare. So I present you with the Best in Show 2025 Fort Lauderdale Home Show. Yeah.
Thank you. People see opportunities when they walk through the doors. We make it beautiful.
Yes.
And when they first started their business, you came right into the shows. I mean, you guys started your first showroom to now what you have today. They probably have the most spectacular door showroom you'll see anywhere.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not easily blown away, but just the fact that you have so much different hardware, the fact that the doors can do so many different things, and in so many different materials.
This is the 7th year?
Yeah.
Is it, or the 8th year?
You've been in the
Either
show for
7th or
7
the
or 8
8th
years.
year
wow.
that we're doing the show.
Wow.
Woo!
Oh! See, I knew it was going to happen. Thank God it was you, not me. That is good luck, guys. That is incredibly good luck. You can't make an omelet without breaking a door.
Right now, we are going to present the People's Choice Award for the 2025 Fort Lauderdale Home Design and Remodeling Show. Come with me. Let's go surprise them. We have a highly coveted award, probably one of the most challenging ones to get. So at the Home Design and Remodeling Show, we present different awards for different booths and things like that, as far as small booth, large booth, all different categories and things like that. But you guys have won the official People's Choice Award. This is the people who have voted and requested, obviously, their favorite booth in the show. And you guys have won this year's award. Absolutely. So I wanted to present that to you guys. You guys did an amazing job. First time exhibitor, amazing display. I mean, what does it mean to you guys?
For me, it's crazy. It's our first experience.
I'm so happy to stay here. You guys have a good energy. I love that. We have a lot of energy as well. I'm so happy. This is my cheese.
Come in here.
She's great.
She's great, yeah.
Was not easy. It was hard. We worked 15 hours for the last
So
2-3 weeks.
Absolutely.
So we are extremely happy about. She's our designer. She is our designer as well.
Come in. You don't even know. You guys just won the People's Choice Award.
The best one.
So,
We are
absolutely.
so happy.
Well, it's well deserved. You guys did an amazing job. Hopefully, the first of many shows moving forward.
For sure.
You know,
Yeah,
the show is all about the companies who are in it, the effort you put in, the impact you make on the show, on the people visiting, and you guys certainly made a big impact on everyone who attended. So, congratulations to you all. You definitely deserve it. Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Just be careful because that can fall out. Someone else. Now we are going to introduce the best new exhibitor for the 2025 Fort Lauderdale Home Show.
I was telling
How
them
long have we been speaking to, as far as you guys exhibiting?
5 years?
At least 5 years. you
Every
think?
year
Yep.
we spoke about this. I was telling them like, for real. I didn't thought it was going to be so crazy.
Yeah.
It has been amazing.
It's been good? Good. I like it. You're happy? You're happy you're here? All right. Well, we're happy you're here as well.
Okay.
And we have something very special to present to you.
Great.
We give out these different awards for all different types of categories and booths and things like that. And this year, this show, you guys have won the best new exhibitor. I mean, you guys did a
Really?
fantastic job.
Really?
Absolutely, really, absolutely. So you only get one chance at this because you're the best new exhibitor, absolutely. And the thing is, I mean, you guys did an amazing job, you know, from all the effort and branding and everything that you guys have put into this. It really means a lot to us because the show is as good as the people in it, and we appreciate that. So congratulations.
Oh my God.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank
Absolutely.
you.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you very much. Absolutely. Absolutely. Home
Home
show.
Amazing, like huge. Designers, contractors, many other exhibitors want
Yeah.
to collaborate with us. The customers, we have like more than 25 appointments.
That's amazing. This award is the Sustainability Excellence Award. Let's go surprise who's going to win this. Let's go. It's been amazing having you guys as part of the show. First time exhibitors, showcasing your amazing product, and obviously one of the most sustainable products here in the show. So we go around and there's different types of awards, different types of categories, things like this. But this show, we're awarding you guys with the Sustainable Excellence Award for the home show. So we wanted to give that. Be careful, this can fall out, so hold it nice. Absolutely. So great job. So
I can honestly tell you this has been the best 4 days.
you're recognized as well.
Oh my God. Well, I want to recognize you guys as running the best expo. We would recommend this to everybody.
We've had a blast.
We appreciate
and the
it.
relationships that we've made
Yeah.
with you guys and all of our neighbors here and the people that we've met and Ty. It's been a blessing to be part of this show.
An amazing product that you guys have created.
Hey everybody, my name is Ken Crawford. I'm the president of Florida South ASID chapter. I am privileged to be here at the Florida Design and Home Show here in Fort Lauderdale with Adam. I'm presenting a luxury award for the best booth that has the best product that you can use in your luxury interior design projects.
Not to interrupt you,
Mr.
but this is a special moment.
Yeah.
Can you join us? Yeah. We're going to take you away for 1 second.
If you can see behind me, they have all these beautiful switches based in England. They are now over here in the United States. They are UL approved, and you can use these in the United States. Solid brass material, very, very deluxe and upscale design. You have them over here in satin brass, black. Beautiful product. It's exactly what everybody wants right now. So this is like the best thing right now on the market is this kind of design. Sweet. So
Without further ado,
I want to present you with this award showcasing luxury lifestyle
Oh wow, thank you.
from the home
by
show.
ASID.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely. This is the ASID selection.
What's going on, everyone? I'm Grace.
And I'm Taylor, and we're part of the Home Show Media team.
And today we're going to be surprising one of our exhibitors with the Most Instagrammable Booth Award. So
they have no idea.
Yeah.
So we're going to go surprise them.
Let's go. We wanted to present you with the Most Instagrammable Booth Award.
Thank you.
Of course, yeah.
Great.
Here
so
you go.
Well, this is something that I cannot take by myself. I have a great partner.
Yes.
That needs to come here now. Because this is actually a great collaboration between Loggia and Decopareti.
Yes.
We complement each other in every single aspect when it comes to interior decoration. So
Hello.
we present you as well with the most incredible booth of 2025.
Congrats.
Yay.
Thank you guys. We're really proud. I mean, we've been with you guys for the last 3 years, and we are really happy to be part of this great show. I mean, you guys bring together the most impressive people on the industry. So thank you guys too.
Of course, thank you. We're happy to have you.
Thank you.
Yes,
thank you.
Yeah,
don't fall.
One broke earlier.
We're having one of those today. So yeah,
it did happen.
Yeah.
In this next award, we're going to be offering the Best Large Booth Award. So come with me. Let's see who gets it. So at the show, we started something new a show ago. We've been recognizing and honoring people for the effort and what they do within their spaces. So in this year's Fort Lauderdale Home Design and Remodeling Show, we're honoring you guys with the Best Large Booth Award. You guys, I mean, every single show, you guys go to the end to make sure that, you know, you have the design, you have the variety, you have all the variation, but how you work the booth, how you design it, build it, everything. You know, we thank you for that.
Thank you so
You guys do an
much.
amazing job.
Thank you, thank you. Appreciate the opportunity to be part of the show, and yeah, hard work pays off.
It's amazing, it really does. And watching you guys grow
Thank
has
you
been
so much.
amazing. Absolutely.
Thank you.
And now this award, we're going to be honoring the Best Small Booth Award. That's any booth in the show from a 10 by 30 or less. So come with me and let's see who wins this award. So for this year's show, the Fort Lauderdale Home Design and Remodeling Show, you guys have won the Best Small Booth Award in the entire show. That's any booth in the show from 10 by 30 and less. And you guys do a fantastic job really showcasing the best organization, systems in the show. So I want to award you guys with that and share that with your team. We're about to present the official Legacy Exhibitor Award, and this is a very special one because it has a lot of different meanings. Absolutely. As you can see, we celebrated some of the best moments, the best displays, the effort, and everything that these companies put into their booths to give South Florida the best experience possible of seeing the best of what's available for their home lifestyle and their home living, and ultimately turning your house into a home. We celebrated displays, family efforts, investments, and everything that goes behind driving success to the South Florida community. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for the next show where we have so many more booths, displays, individuals, and some of the top brands right here in South Florida. Thank you for joining. I can't wait to see you next time.